Bye. I have an idea now.
Global Village. So, fun fact, the first time we went here to Global Village was maybe 5-6 years ago. Nung first time kami dumating dito sa Dubai for our first ever pop-up, dinala kami ng host namin dito. And we were like, wow, sa isang lugar, lahat na countries halos nandito. And in the middle of the desert, you know? And wala. I mean, because it starts around November and it ends around March, so the weather is beautiful. Tingnan mo, everyone's just so happy. Dito sa Dubai, pag maganda ang panahon, wala, mas maganda yung mood ng tao. Meron nga akong tinanungan last time, ano pipiliin mo? Winter or init? Sabi niya init. Kasi init, nandyan pa yung sun, nandyan pa ang nandyan yung technology kasi may aircon. Pag malamig, gloomy, you're always indoors, heated. Parang, basta, ako rin siguro. Well, I don't know. Hindi ko pa na-experience yung sobrang lamig eh. Anyway, okay, balik tayo dito sa Global Village. So it's a shawarma place. Parang, you can't go wrong with shawarma. Hey guys, if you have any suggestions as where, saan pa dito masarap, please drop it in the comment section. Wow, that looks so good. Imagine, nasasalo ng skewers yung shawarma na yan. That is good. That is very good, guys. And this is the bigger version of it. Wow. There's so many. Grabe yung competition dito. Or, let's just put it this way. Grabe ang choices. So, I think famous Bosnian house. They actually started, I think, their business here, and now they have so many branches. And that's a lovely lady that tried to convince me to buy. Sabi ko, okay na, you convinced me. Pipila na ako mamaya. But anyways, it looks like this. And they have many outlets here in Global Village and many outlets around Dubai. And again, they started here. Wow. Left and right, there's so many choices. So you have Asian, you have that, I don't know, you have Mexican, you have a hot dog. Oh my god, everything is there. Lobster roll, churros. Kaya kinakabahan ako ng konti because syempre, I want our little food stall to work, and I want other nationalities to try our food. And I mean, you know. Okay, so JPQ is over here. So we first go to Lebanon to. Okay, alam ko na sa dulo kami, China. Everyone is just out and about. Everyone is in a good mood. Siyempre, dito sa Dubai halos, I mean, you know, walang masyadong traffic, or may traffic na pala. May traffic na ngayon, and medyo masikip na ngayon, pero everything seems to be working still. It's still extremely efficient and safe. Anyways, I'm just yapping. Okay, let's go. I guess I'm nervous because this is the second time I'm gonna see JPQ. Yeah, that's the name, JPQ. And the first time, marami akong pinayos. We had to fix certain things. Now, finally, it's fixed. And it took a while to get the permits approved, but here we are, fast forward. Okay, I'll start. I'll stop talking. Okay, I see it. I'm excited and nervous. Okay. Oh wow, looks good. Looks good. It's nice. Ganda. Maganda siya.
Yung mga ilaw na parang visible pa siya.
So you know my ready-to-eat meals that you guys can get from IKEA. So it's Abella and Co that makes it, and so we partnered to make this JPQ happen. So it's basically Filipino barbecue. Two versions. We have chicken and beef, and so this I've always wanted to do this concept. Even back in the Philippines, there were plans already to do this. It just never happened, and now it's happening. And even though wala pa masyadong tao, I mean, you know, it's a stiff competition, and this is the first ever Filipino concept here in Global Village. So it'll take time. But you know, I see kabayans. Sana ma-convince ko sila. Teka lang, kausapin ko nga sila. Hello, ate. Hello. Good evening. Kabayan. Oh. Ay po, cheers. Hindi Pilipino. Hindi Pilipino. Oh. Hi guys. Hello, kumusta? Hello. Nag-dinner na kayo?
Ha?
Nag-dinner na kayo?
Hindi, sa inyo kami kakain.
Hindi nga.
Hindi ba?
Sa kuya ba?
Ayan. Hindi, nandyan oh.
Meron bang kuya?
Yeah, JPQ yung tawag namin.
Okay.
Pwede ko kayo matreat ng kahit lumpia muna.
Yes.
Detour muna.
Si Oh, let's go.
Okay, tara. I'm so happy. I'm so productive. Okay, let's do this. Mag-fire ka ng dalawang lumpia. Tapos, empanada, dalawa rin. I'm smiling. I'm so happy. Grabe. Alam mo yung feeling of an empty restaurant. Then, I've been there. I used to have an empty restaurant. Every now and then, we're still not full. But it's nice. Dinagdagan niyo yung order niyo? Halo-halo?
2 halo-halo. And then, what is it next?
Yung barbecue? Chicken barbecue, yeah. This is our chicken barbecue. Our beef barbecue, which is flavored in bistek, is out of stock. This is our empanadas. Lumpia. Bulalo, no? Bulalo. Siksik, no? Siksik. Di ba yung ibang empanada na sa gitna pa yung karne?
Ito ang dami naman.
Oo. Apo.
Try nyo. Tapos magdala.
Kamusta yung beef empanada?
It was really good.
Why was it good?
Because the meat was there's like a big portion of it.
Yeah.
It tasted, you didn't expect what it would taste like, but it was really good.
Did you like the gravy?
Yes. It added to the flavor.
Okay. Did you try the chicken skewers?
Not yet.
Okay.
Actually, we're gonna order more.
Oh, thank you. Kamusta? Okay naman.
Napakasarap.
Masarap naman. Yung chicken barbecue. Ay, salamat. Malambot.
Hindi, tsaka yung sauce na.
Masarap yung sauce, no? So freaking happy. I'm so happy. Okay, tama na. Nahiya na ako. Hi. Hoy, basta. Gusto mo i-try yung barbecue?
Sige na.
Teka lang ito. Diyan, may tini.
Ilonggo ka, chef, di ba?
Oo.
Ilonggo man ko.
May tini doon.
Prince Jerry, yung kasama ko.
Kilala mo na yan?
Ako, punta yung isang nasa, Operation Falafel.
Ah. Diri ka gobra?
Oo, sa office.
Ng GB?
Oo.
Ato, Dillard.
Oo. Nakita na yung gula?
Kamen. Ano? Frame. Namin, may kanon. Ito, arang sa ato, no?
Oo. Ano na yung charcoal sa bla?
Ano? Kabala, mga asawa mo. Mga asawa.
Mga asawa.
Mga amigo, mga amiga. Pamilya mo. Yung barbecue. 15 ingredients. Tapos hindi lahat galing sa bote, ah. Hindi tamad na halo-halo to. Ang swerte ko naman sa pamilya na to.
From Guam, ha?
From Guam. Ah, Guam ka rin? Wow. Guam kayong lahat? Halos?
Sila, local na sila rin.
Ah.
Sila yung tinutour nila kami.
I see.
Hindi nga tinipid, hindi pag mayaman pa ba? Wow!
Okay.
Anong sarap!
Dito to. Sige. Maraming salamat, ah. Maraming salamat sa good. Sir, thank you. Maraming salamat.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Sabi nga, quality versus quantity.
Yan. Thank you.
Congrats, ha?
Oo nga eh.
Busy.
Ngayon na lang. How was your meal?
Empanadas was amazing.
Is it your first time to try Filipino food? Okay. Thank you. I'm so happy you guys enjoyed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Kamusta, ma'am? Masarap? Hello. Na-try nyo, ma'am?
Tatry ko po.
Na-try nyo.
Asan na ba? Ma!
Oh.
Asan yung asawa ko? Oo, talaga naman. Magpa-testing natin kasi kumakain siya ng empanada. Mahal! Halika! You like it? Come.
Sarap na feeling. Nilanamnam ng babae. Ito yung... So, ayaw mo ng rice, ha?
Ayoko, gusto ko muna mag-ano ngayon kasi hirap eh.
Okay. Ito siya. Bagay ba sa tinapay? Actually, worried nga ako dun before eh. Kasi baka hindi siya magustuhan. So yeah, pwede ka mamili. Bread or rice. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na pwede rin pala kumain dito. Ayan, dito kayo. Pwesto kayo dito. Kamusta ang barbecue? Okay ba? Kailan yung last nyo kumain ng halo-halo?
Matagal na kasi sa Saudi kami galing.
Dumayo lang talaga kami dito.
Ganun ba? Wow, swerte.
Tatlong araw. Dalawang araw lang po kami dito.
Ilan?
Tatlong araw.
Oo. Sakto, ganda. Ganda ng timing. Ayan. So, ikaw, tagal na kailan yung last mong halo-halo?
2 years ago.
2 years ago sa Pilipinas. Kayo, ate? Kayo rin?
2 years and a half.
Oo. Musik.
Natikman namin.
Haluin nyo talaga. Bye-bye. Kailan balik nyo Saudi? Bukas. Sakto. Bye-bye. Ingat. Godspeed.